Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher and I am from PMS Boys 5. Hope you will be fine. In previous lecture, I explained poem manners, जिसमें पोइट कहता है कि अपने आप को साफ रखने से आप बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं. आप पॉलिश्ड शूज़ पहन लें, अपने आप को साफ सुथरा रखें, लेकिन जब तक आपका इखलाक अच्छा नहीं है तो आप एक अच्छे इंसान नहीं हैं. Now today we will do copy work. Keep your stationery with yourselves, sharp your pencils and open your copy. Write today's date and draw margin line. Write Unit 2 and underline it with color. In the next line, write manners, the name of the unit, and underline it with color. M should be capital. Do your work very neatly. In the next line, write words / meanings 3. W and M should be capital. और ये जो स्लैश है ना, आपका रेड टू रेड लाइन तक आना चाहिए. Now in the fourth line, write words 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 / sentences 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 3. Now write comprehension passage. C should be capital. COMPREHENSION comprehension passage PASSAGE comprehension passage. Write dictation DICTATION dictation. D should be capital. Now write handwriting HAND hand WRITING handwriting. At the end, draw ending line. This is the title page of unit. This is the title page of your unit. आप लोगों ने ऐसे ही पेज रेडी करना है जैसे मैंने किया है. Now come to the next page. Write today's date and draw margin line with one finger gap. Draw a line in the middle of the page. Now write words. W should be capital. WORDS words and meanings 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 with one finger gap, and underline it with color. Write the word pardon PARDON pardon, and its meaning is forgive 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 forgive. P and F should be small. Number 2 word is content 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 content, and its meaning is satisfied 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 satisfied. Now write third word courtesy COURTESY courtesy, and its meaning is politeness POLITENESS politeness. Now draw ending line. Do your work very neatly and copy and keep your copy clean. Now come to the next page. Write today's date. Draw margin line with one finger gap. Write words with one finger gap. Write words and sentences. W and S should be capital. WORDS, words, and underline it with color. Then write sentences and underline it with color. SENTENCES, sentences. Draw a line like this. Write first word brush, 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 and you have to leave one line. Write the second word clothes, 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 and you have to leave one line. Now write third word shoes, 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 and again you have to leave one line. Draw ending line at the end. Now brush means toothbrush and hairbrush also. Clothes means kapde and shoes means jute. If you know the meaning of the word, you can easily make sentences. For the word brush, you can make sentence. Brush your teeth daily. I brush my teeth. I brushed my hair. I have green brush. For the word clothes, you can make sentence. I have clothes. Wear warm clothes. Change your clothes. I need new clothes. Third word is shoes. You can make sentence of shoes. I lost my shoes. I have red shoes. Ali polished his shoes. He has a pair of shoes. These are sample sentences. You can also make your own sentences. All the pictures will be shared in WhatsApp group. Your homework is to learn words meaning and make sentences. आपका होमवर्क ये है कि आपने ये वर्ड्स मीनिंग लर्न करने हैं और ये जो सेंटेंसेस मैंने आपको दिए हैं आपने ये सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. ओके? एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी यू कैन आस्क इट. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. अल्लाह हाफिज़.